ULO. The ULO is intended to inject some personality into an otherwise ordinary surveillance camera. A device resembling an owl features two animated LCD eyes that serve to convey emotion. A two-way mirror that looks like a beak masks a high-resolution camera with a night vision and a motion sensor. When you're away, ULO automatically sends you GIF messages whenever it detects movement in the house. ULO streams directly on a secure web page and captures snapshots on demand. According to creator Vivian Muller, the camera's cute animalistic design seeks to redefine the way we interact with objects. If ULO looks sleepy, you need to charge its battery. It blinks when someone takes a picture from the app, and its eyes follow movement in the house. The mobile app allows you to customize its eye color, size, and shape to match your interior. Father.io. Experience the unmatched gaming immersion with the first real-life massive laser tag. Father.io combines real-time geolocalization and a first-person shooter game. It's powered by an iPhone or Android smartphone and a clip-on hardware called the Interceptor. This $25 device uses infrared light to shoot other players and works up to 50 meters away. 6 highly sensitive infrared receiving sensors allow the Interceptor to detect shots from any direction, both horizontally and vertically. The app merges digital experience with the real world, using OpenStreetMap to let you interact with over 12 million locations. It means that now you can use your local banks, playgrounds, and shopping malls to shoot real people with an imaginary gun. Hub by Echo. Echo Audio has created a new wireless hub for multiple simultaneous listeners. The system consists of a docking station that transmits audio from any source to wireless rechargeable receivers called sound pucks. The main dock can stream a single audio to as many as 10 outputs, whether earbuds, headphones, or speakers, basically anything with an audio input. Individual sound pucks provide high-fidelity sound and allow each user to personalize their listening experience. Adjust your settings to suit your preference without inconveniencing anyone else. The whole system is controlled through an app that lets you set volume controls on individual audio pucks, a safety measure to ensure safe listening for kids. Hololus. Hololus is a device that blends digital and real life by converting flat-screen content into a 3D hologram. Take digital content from your tablet or smartphone, and Hololus will create a holographic projection of it, seen from 4 different perspectives and 360-degree viewing angles. Most gadgets tend to isolate people from the community. The creator of Hololus, by contrast, wanted to bring people together, whether around the home, kitchen table, or school desk. It was designed to encourage collaboration at work and common project development at research centers and universities. Holus uses dynamic perspective correction and dynamic stitching algorithms to bring you an ideal 360-degree experience. The company also provides demos and SDKs so that any developer can create his or her own applications for Holus. iPin Spatial Ruler. Renovating your living room and purchasing new furniture can be a challenging task, especially if you're not friends with tape measure. iPin wants you to get it right, and for that purpose, the company developed an iPin Spatial Ruler, the first measuring tool for your smartphone. In order to start measuring, plug the device into the earphone jack and run the application on your iPhone. Then just point the red laser dot on any object you want to measure or find out the distance to, and an instant measurement is made possible through a laser-guided photography and an accurate spatial calculation technology. Once an initial picture has been taken, the Spatial Rulers app will let you reposition the dots to estimate the size of any objects in a scene. And of course, you can share the measurement results with another user, for example, a future designer of your living room. Chip by Wowee. Chip is an intelligent, playful robot dog. With almost 20 inbuilt sensors, it recognizes hand gestures like claps or touch and responds to them. Thanks to the unique mechanism wheels on its feet, the robot dog can roll at high speeds in virtually any direction. Chip comes complete with a charging base, a smart ball and a smart band. Chip knows when he needs a recharge and can find the charging base on its own. Smart Band is a Bluetooth-based wristband that lets you communicate with Chip. Press the center button to attract the device's attention, a fetch button to make it play with a smart ball, and a place button to make it follow you around. What makes Chip so special is that you can actually mold his personality. Use the thumbs up button as a means of positive reinforcement. Chip follows commands and adapts his personality to your preferences. Justifying a product's logo, no chip is like your chip.